Today we're gonna make an easy lemon American buttercream. It's silky smooth and soft and luscious, and it has that bright tang from the lemon to balance out the sweetness of an American buttercream. It's perfection. And perfect for topping cakes, cupcakes, even carrot cake to kind of mix it up a little bit from your traditional cream cheese frosting. Let's get into it. So, really easy, as American buttercreams tend to be. We've got our butter. She is very soft. Like, do you see this? Super soft. If yours is not this soft, then you can easily get it there with a blowtorch, which I show you up there in that video, and it's bookmarked, so easy. And then we've got our confectioner's sugar. Oh yeah, some sugar in this. And salt. Boom, kosher salt, happy. All right, balance out a little bit of that sweetness. All right, pop this in there, and we're gonna turn this on super low. No confectioner's sugar in your kitchen, okay? None of that. Oh yes, here we are. Just give it a second. And then you wait for it to like mix in. You can gradually add your sugar, which will probably help, but I was impatient, so it's all in there. Okay, so obviously this is like a very thick paste, which is great, and we're gonna start to add our lemon juice. So this lemon juice is obviously for flavor, but it's also to kind of loosen up this frosting and create that nice, silky, soft frosting for whatever cakes or cupcakes you're baking up. I always juice a little extra lemon than I technically need for the recipe, just so that, just in case it's, it's a little too thick, or, it sits and thickens up on you and you want to loosen it. So for example, this is just a little thick, for what I want. It's, it's nice, it's pliable, but I do want it a little bit thinner. And you can also go ahead and give it a taste. Lemon. I think that it can take more lemon, so I'm going to keep using lemon juice. If you are, you're like a light lemon flavor person, you can add milk and to loosen up for the rest of the way. So I'm just going to add a little bit more lemon, just a touch, just, not even like half a teaspoon, just kind of just a drizzle in there. So now you can see we have this beautiful, soft, like really silky buttercream here, and just gonna be perfect for spreading on cakes or cupcakes. Even carrot cake would be fun. Just mix it up. So I'm just going to quickly, so when I'm ready to use it, which is now, if I want it to be extra light and fluffy, then I will switch to the whisk attachment, and I'm going to beat it up a little bit, just a little extra. I beat a little bit more air in there. It'll also make it a little whiter. If you do want it to be white, you have to use shortening rather than the than butter, because the butter has like a little like yellow tinge to it. So just in its natural state. But I like the flavor of butter, so. Oh. All right, so let's just go ahead and get this whisked on here. Woo. Yeah. You see how that's nice and soft and fluffy, and it's like even whiter than it was before? That is perfect. That is exactly what we want. And now you've made the easiest lemon American buttercream ever. It's perfect for frosting blondies or brownies or cakes or cupcakes. The world is your oyster. Cookies, sugar cookies. Oh yes, do it. I guess we can try it, even though we all know what this tastes like. Oh, it's bright and citrusy, and still like really soft and smooth, and a little sweet from all the sugar that we added. It's perfect.